So hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have with us Nomadic Rider over here. So he has installed this rain protection cover on his bike. So tell me more about the rain cover.
This rain cover is good when you are riding in sun or in rain, and for rain especially it comes with a slip-on side covers on both sides. It comes below, it comes till your knee, below your knee, and it's on both sides.
So which you have currently removed. You can attach it at any time.
Yeah, anytime.
So that will be like of the transparent material, right?
Yes, transparent, and it's got a center zip also. You can open the center zip and open the bike.
So it will be more like a moving rickshaw.
Yeah. People
So-
say it's like a moving bed.
Yeah, moving bed. So how much it costs?
This costed me about 1200 rupees, and it's got this front windshield also. I can zip it on or off whenever I want. When it's raining, just pull the zip and it's closed.
Okay, this is closed now. So no sprays, nothing at all
Yes.
in heavy rain. So you have tested in heavy rain?
In heavy rain, yes.
Because currently it's not raining, so I can't actually comment more about it, but we'll take,
do a test in the rain also.
yeah. So for that you need to visit his channel.
Yes.
The channel name is Nomadic Rider. The link will be in the description box below. But as of now, I'll be taking this bike for a test drive. So I will not talk about the FZ. We'll talk about the rain cover. And I'm pretty much sure about, as I'm definitely going to grab the attention of other people. So I expected a terrible wind blast, but it's not actually there. I mean, you see people staring at me. So this thing is definitely going to grab attention of other people. So you're not actually feeling the heat directly on your body. The hot air is actually passing from the front area. If I close it, I think there won't be that much, but I might face terrible wind blast. As you guys can see, there is a bus towards my right, so the bike is wobbling a bit. So this thing is made up of, the frame actually is made up of wires, like thin, thick wires attached to the rain material, the waterproof rain material. This thing will cost you around 1200 as he said, and you also get the side flaps or flips. But riding till speed of 40 in city, I don't think so there will be any problem for you guys. But riding on highways, yes, there is a problem, because if heavy vehicle passes by, you're definitely going to feel the wind blast. So as you guys can see, I am riding at a speed of 50, 55, and it is still manageable. I am on the highway, so there is more wind. If you ride it in city, there I don't think so there will be much of a wind. I can actually feel the sun heat on my left hand, but under this like cover or roof, it's not there. And uncles and everyone is actually staring. It is more of like a thug life. Portable roof, portability, shade, overall a good thing if you're riding at the speed of 50, 60. But anything about that, it's not at all recommended. So if there is not much wind, you can take this thing till 60, but it's not recommended because wind blast is there, guys. So installation procedure is actually easy. This is the mirror mount of your bike. It will go into that, and then the frame will go from there to top. I actually need to sit like a kid because this thing is actually banging on my head, and it will bang obviously if there is too much of wind. But during normal sitting situations, for the guys 5 feet and 10 inches and below, this is the perfect thing. And you can actually install this thing on mopeds too. So the main question is whether you should buy this thing or no. The answer is your priority. If you do more of a highway rides and you can't ride consistent for like 50 kilometers or below 50, I would say, and you don't want to get wet, then you can consider buying this thing. But if you can't ride at the speed of 50 when everyone else is overtaking you, then don't buy it. The wind blast is actually there. So I'll end the vlog here. That's pretty much it about today's vlog. I hope to see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, this is Rohit signing off. Ride safe and don't be a squid. Thanks for watching.